You're wondering how to exactly start using the Zora app here. What are the basics and what do you need to know regarding the app? Well, this one is quite simple, so let's go and first discuss what is the Zora app. Now, the Zora app here is a platform that allows you to start earning through the images that you generate or you post on your account. Now, there are five major sections that you can access here in the Zora app. So we first have the homepage here. Homepage here gives you different kinds of content that you may or is suggested for you. There are content, for example, we have this image here that is, it's from a user that you can buy their image. So if you click on buy here, it allows you to buy that specific image and basically trade it to other people as well. But then again, one thing that you need to know here is every new image that is posted in here is a new coin. So the main goal via the platform or via the Zora app here is you want to make sure that you showcase your art or your content to other people so that other people would buy whatever image that you have. So if they are impressed with the image that you generated or created in here and posted in here, well, the more likely they would actually buy your coin. Well, in this case, that would generate income for you. Now, you can go and just scroll down a bit here and basically view other content. But if you want to search for a very specific person, a very specific creator here, you can go and click on the search button that you see at the very bottom of the screen. And basically, you could just type in whatever you want. Like if you're searching for a specific creator here or featured art. Now you could also have like friends, what your friends bought, and also if you want to see like new creators in here. Well, this is how you find new creators, and even like try buying early. Like if you're expecting someone to blow up or their content to blow up, well, you can buy them earlier in here. So yeah, if you click on the plus, the square button that has the plus button that you see at the bottom of the screen, it would give you the option to basically start taking photos of your surrounding and basically posting that on the Zora platform. Now, you could also generate your own content if you click on generate at the very top of your screen. And basically, you could just generate AI images in here and use that to post it into your account, which is something really helpful here, especially if you want to use AI to earn via on the side on the platform. Well, you could use this. Just type in whatever you want to say at the very bottom here in order to generate the image that you want to generate here. Now, if you click on the wallet icon here, this is where you'll be able to see your current earnings. This is where you'll be able to add money into your account. You can also send to other people. If you, as you can see right now, you could go and send it to a specific user or base address. Well, if you have enough funds in your account, obviously you could go and send to other people. This is where you also see your address or your wallet address. As you can see right now, you can go and copy that just underneath your username here and share that to other people just in case that they want to send you or they want to send funds into your account. Now, in here, you should be able to also see how much you have right now. Like, for example, what coins you currently have right now, what you've bought. It should detail that as well in here. Now, if you want to cash out, you could go and just click on cash out here and basically send this to an Ethereum address. So link your wallet to convert your Sparks you've earned to Ethereum. So you could go and just enter the address that you want to convert your Sparks to. Now, also, if you click on the profile icon you see at the bottom right of the screen, this is where you'll be able to see your profile. Now, you should see your followers, well, people that you're also following, and also an option for you to start buying and also seeing your content. Now, mine already have generated one content here, which is a banana figure here that you could trade. So you go and click on trade here. So if you want to buy or sell this, like if you want to sell this to a number of amount here. Yeah, so I'm going to go back here real quickly. Yeah, if you want to edit your profile, you could go and just click on the edit profile option here and edit your display name, your username, or even like your profile photo here if you want to. This is where you also verify your profile if you want, but that's about it. So those are the basics in order for you to get started with the Zora app, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.